Hey, what's going on, everybody? John from Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. We have a 2023 GMC Canyon Denali. Customer came in, wanted a Retrax Pro XR. This has the T-slots and the rails. This is an all aluminum bed cover. I don't know why you would want to, but you could stack 500 pounds evenly distributed on the top of this cover. It's a manual cover. You can stop anywhere. Opens just like that. Nice and easy. Maybe a little stiff for the first 24 to 48 hours until those ball bearings seat up. You can see you can open and close this cover anywhere you like. And as a thank you to all of our customers that have us install their bed cover, we top all of the bed covers that we install with a 1-year ceramic coating. And we do provide the opportunity to upgrade to a 2, 3, 5, 7, or 9-year coating. This customer in particular opted for the 5-year Fireball Silla. It's a brand new $60,000 truck, and for a premium truck, you're gonna want a premium cover and you're gonna want premium protection. If you have any questions about bed covers, whether it's a Retrax or a Roll & Lock or Back Industries or Xtang or Truxedo or any of the Truck Hero brands, please reach out to us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You can call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. If you're interested in a bed cover and don't live in the Northeast Ohio or Cleveland/Akron areas, we can drop ship anywhere in the United States. And then if you have any issues with the install, you can call us or email us and we can walk you through the install or any issues that you may have. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. This is the Retrax Pro XR on a 2023 GMC Canyon Denali. We will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend, y'all.